Hello my dear friends, here we are again today riding our beloved bicycle. Cycling today towards the beautiful rolling hills of the Doi Lo region. To then give ourselves the pleasure of a beautiful discovery. Cycling through cheerful hills is a delightful experience, offering picturesque views and the invigorating feeling of being immersed in nature. The gentle slopes and vibrant landscapes create a perfect backdrop, making each pedal stroke a joy as you embrace the fresh air and freedom of the open road. Oh yes, we're getting there. Wat Pak Thang Samakkhi, Mon Hermit Temple. This temple, dated from 1982, is absolutely breathtaking, with intricate details and stunning architecture that leave you in awe. The peaceful atmosphere and beautifully decorated interiors create a truly spiritual experience. Every corner is rich with history and cultural significance, making it a must-visit. The new construction featuring a large Buddha statue not only enhances the landscape but also serves as a serene focal point, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding area. This development likely draws both tourists and locals, creating a harmonious blend of spirituality and natural beauty that elevates the overall experience of the location. Interestingly, in the past, in 1986, the temple organized a summer ordination of novice monks during the school holidays. April of each year there were around 250 to 300 young people applying for ordination, which continued until 1990. During this period for Chiang Mai, the abbot of the temple, died. The authorities then appointed for Wat Samakkhi as the next abbot, and a Paravasakaram event was held instead of the summer ordination of novices. The organization of this Paravasakaram event took place from 1991 onwards, with monks coming from all over Thailand, 77 provinces, together with monks from foreign countries such as Burma, Cambodia, Malaysia, etc. The temple has been organizing this Paravasakaram event for a long time now, during which around 400 or more monks come to practice every year. This temple serves as a remarkable embodiment of cultural unity, where diverse traditions converge under a shared spiritual belief. Visitors are enveloped in a serene atmosphere that fosters a deep sense of tranquility, allowing them to appreciate the rich tapestry of faith and heritage that radiates from its architecture and practices. The harmonious blend of various cultures not only enhances the temple's beauty, but also creates a profound feeling of peace for all who enter. And after enjoying this beautiful visit, we get back on the saddle, ready for the return. For a stretch we will follow the main road which, from Champhon, heads towards Pa Tong. Then we will return to the nice streets crossing villages and fields. Pedaling through these quiet and pleasant streets offers an enriching experience, combining the joy of cycling with a profound sense of tranquility, allowing one to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life while enjoying the soothing rhythm of movement and the beauty of the surroundings. I hope you had fun watching this ride, and with warm greetings, see you soon. And of course, as always happy ride.